A very good evening. All of you are fine, and in this um, time of novel pandemic, you all are doing well. Weather is not very supportive, doesn't dampen us at all. Yes, even I have not been keeping very well, and I was quite skeptic whether I will be able to make it for today. But then I told you earlier too, uh, man proposes, but here man proposed and God disposed. I'm so very happy that I could make it today. Because today's topic is one of, again, a very close topic to my heart. I really love to talk on this topic because this topic has helped me grow over years. Let me start when I was a kid. So when I was a kid, I was a very confident kid from within, but very inconfident from out. And although I knew I was very confident, I could not project myself to be convincing and confident in front of my other confident friends. And I lost all the confidence, and I was really inconfident. Now you understand, the confidence was really a very, very important part of my life which was missing. Although I had it stuffed within me, it was really important, and I actually knew that I had it in me, but something was there which was missing. Not that I did not have a very congenial atmosphere in the house where I was really appreciated. In fact, I was more than appreciated for what I have been doing, because my sisters would be probably much better at that time, and my parents were always very, very supportive, very, very interested in my upbringing, and they always would care a lot about me. Now, while I am talking to you about this, I remember a story which most of you must have read. But let me tell you the story. It's a very, very interesting story. And the story is about a lion. A lion who was born in a jungle, and suddenly the mother died while it gave birth to the lion. Now this lion was surrounded by lots of sheep. Now these sheep decided to actually rear this lion, and being brought up amongst the lion, what happened? Among the sheep, what happened? The lion started feeling itself to be a sheep. Well, it behaved like a sheep, it ate like a sheep. So the life went on. As the lion started growing amidst the sheep, the children of the sheep, what happened? They started teasing this lion that, hey, you look so ugly, you are not even like us. And the the cub would always stay morose, very depressed, and not able to perform as he could have done. But then what happened? One day, a pride of lion attacked this flock of sheep. All the sheep started running, and this lion also started running. The lion said, "Hey, why are you running away? You are not a sheep. He said, no, no, I am a sheep. Please leave me. Don't touch me. Don't harm me. The lions were quite taken aback. They took the sheep to a pond and said, now look into the water. The water. अरे ये तो मैं लायन हूँ, मैं तो शीप नहीं हूँ. अचानक उसके अंदर एक अलग सा प्रभा एनर्जी पैदा हो जाता है. He starts feeling powerful. He starts feeling big about himself, and this makes him confident. This makes him what he is, and you can understand that episode is a symbolic episode. The lion who took this cub to the pond was the experience. It symbolized the experience, and the lion's reflection in the water was the realization, that reflected the realization. That is what we miss. I'll tell you, for a very long time when I was a small kid, I was the youngest in the house and quite pampered by my sisters and my parents. I don't know, nobody told me, maybe because I was the black sheep of the family, because that is how I used to behave, and I was quite, at times not as disciplined as my sisters were. So probably that was something within me which I inched, and it told me that it was because of that my parents used to give me some special attention. Especially my eldest sister used to be really very caring, and even today she is a mother to me. Okay, so that is how I grew up. But then that made me not very open. I tried to venture out. I made a lot of adventures. Here I have my friends Rama and others, Moshumi Bajumdar, you all were there, you remember. I used to hide from my family and I used to go with you all to your places. Courage to tell my parents that I am going to my friend's place. So that was the type of low esteem I had, because I did not look inside. Soon I had to rush to grow up. And what was the rush? The rush was my father took to a bad illness, that is he had a huge myocardiac infarction, and I had to grow up because my sister had to stay back in Calcutta, my mother had to stay back with her, and two of us came to Nagpur, and I had to take up the responsibility of the house with my sister and my father, and it was really a rush to grow up. In this rush to grow up, I started thinking about what exactly I need to do at this point of time, because all these days I would know only how to play pranks, how to do lots of मस्ती, बस उतना ही जानती थी. फिर मैं क्या कर सकती थी? फिर मैंने क्या किया? मेरी मम्मी हरदम हमें कहती थी कि सोते वक्त बेटा अपने तकिए पे ओम 3 बार लिखना. आप लोगों के मम्मी ने कभी कुछ कहा होगा, जो चीज़ आपके मन में रह गया होगा, ये चीज़ हमारे मन में अभी तक रह गया है, और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि मेरी दोनों बहनों को भी ये चीज़ बहुत अच्छे से याद होगा. इनफैक्ट मेरे बच्चों को भी ये चीज़ मैंने सिखाए थे. तो उसके साथ साथ अब आया समय जब मैं ओम लिखती थी और तकिए पे अपना सर रखती थी. खूब सारे सोच मेरे दिल में कहाँ कहाँ से बहते हुए आता था. There used to be a gush of thoughts, a small head of maybe 17, 18, I don't even remember. And I had lots and lots of things to do because my father was gradually becoming sick and sick. And my mother had to wait in Calcutta. She came back, of course, after a year when my sister had completed her studies. My father had been transferred to Nagpur and we were here. I started thinking about what am I doing in life? The answer came, hey Piali, you aren't doing all that bad. You are doing quite well in your outward life. But what about your inward life? Now you need to make a journey towards your inner self. And this journey towards my inner self was the introspection. What is introspection? It is only an assemblance of few letters which makes probably a lot of gives it a lot of weight, but it has a huge meaning. The meaning is to understand what you are doing, to evaluate yourself. Are you on the right track? Are you doing the things which you are liking? Because it's a very important part of your life that if you are doing something which you like, will be definitely more interesting than what you don't like to do, and if you have to do that. So even if you have to do certain things which you don't like, you have to introspect, find out what you don't like and try to make it likable. And that is precisely what I did. I will not talk much about my life now. I'll now come to the third part of the whole thing, and that is how we all can help ourselves in this process, in this by adopting introspection, understand, and that is the way you try to realize your life and you become your own evaluator. You actually so I think I'm back. Yes, there's a lot of connectivity these days and it's really difficult, but still that we can still make it is one positive thing, right? It's really interesting that amidst all the adversities we can do the things, and that is also a part of your introspection, that what is there, what's wrong, even if we have some hindrance, why not do something which we want to do? It's very essential, don't you think so? So this is also a part of your introspection, that yes, even if something goes wrong, no panic, things are going to settle, it is going to come back, right? So while you are introspecting, what happens? You know that throughout the day what you have done, how many things you wanted to do, or maybe you did out of sheer just out of the blue. So that is very very important कि आप जो भी करते हो, आप सोचो, दिन भर के किए हुए के ऊपर अगर रात को आप सोचते हो, ये शुरुआत में करो, तो आप अगर सोचते हो कि ये जो हम कर रहे हैं ये सही है क्या, इससे हमें खुशी मिल रही है क्या, अगर नहीं तो हम कहाँ बदलाव लाएं. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि खुशियाँ हमारी ज़िंदगी में बहुत ज़रूरी है, और अगर हम हर काम खुशी से करते हैं, ऊपर ऊपर से नहीं, दिखावे की खुशी से नहीं, दिली खुशी से हम करते हैं, तो ज़िंदगी बहुत बहुत सुहाना होगा. आप इंट्रोस्पेक्शन के द्वारा ये कर सकते हो कि आप बेटर डिसीजंस ले सकते हो. कई बार हम डिसीजन बहुत इरेशनल लेते हैं और वो सही में कई बार बैकफायर हो जाता है. So it's always better to really think over the whole thing, introspect and try to understand कि ये चीज़ें मुझे करने से क्या कहाँ तक मेरा सक्सेस होगा, कहाँ तक ये इसके एडवर्स इफ़ेक्ट नहीं होगा और ये एक सेटिस्फैक्ट्री कंडक्ट होगा, तो वो चीज़ आप कर सकते हो. आप लोगों में ज़रूर कुछ ना कुछ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन आप करते ही रहते हो, पर इंट्रोस्पेक्शन को एक पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ बनाइए. इंट्रोस्पेक्शन कुछ बार कनेक्टिविटी जा रहा है, सो आई एम सो सॉरी, बट देन आई रियली कांट हेल्प इट. देयर आर सिचुएशंस इन लाइफ विच वी कांट, लाइक टुडे द पैंडमिक, वी कांट हेल्प, बट देन वी आर सर्वाइविंग एंड वी आर ऑल हैप्पी, वी आर कनेक्टेड. वी आर बेटर कनेक्टेड एट टाइम्स बिकॉज इतनी ज़्यादा हम लोग एक दूसरे से शायद मिलते नहीं होते अगर पैंडमिक नहीं होता. तो इसका भी कुछ पॉजिटिव साइड ले लेते हैं. अच्छा, तो अब हम आते हैं इंट्रोस्पेक्शन में. बैक टू इंट्रोस्पेक्शन. सो अब क्या है कि अगर हम सही तरीके से कोई भी विषय पर चिंतन करें, सोचें, विचार करें, तो हमारा जो भी एक्शन हम लेंगे वो गलत होने का चांस कम है. उसमें हम दूसरों को दुख नहीं देंगे. हम कई तरह से अपने आप को काफ़ी प्रॉपरली कैरी करेंगे, कंडक्ट करेंगे, जो डेफिनेटली विल बी अ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ आवर पर्सनैलिटी. बिकॉज एज वी ग्रो, छोटे बच्चे हैं तब तक के बिना सोचे समझे काम करना फिर भी ठीक है, एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हैं. पर अगर हम नहीं कर रहे हैं, सोच नहीं रहे हैं, बिना सोचे समझे जिसको जो मर्ज़ी बोल रहे हैं, जिसके साथ जो मर्ज़ी बर्ताव कर रहे हैं, या तो जो मर्ज़ी वो एक्शन ले रहे हैं, या तो जो भी है, ज़िंदगी का प्रभाव हमारा ऐसा चलता है जहाँ हमारा कोई दिशा नहीं हो, तो फिर वो ज़िंदगी का मज़ा थोड़ा कम रहता है. जहाँ दिशा हो, जहाँ राह हो, और जहाँ हमारे सोच इनके साथ हो, वो ज़िंदगी अगर बिता कर देखेंगे तो ज़रूर आप सोचेंगे कि इस ज़िंदगी में कंप्लेन करने के लायक तो कुछ है ही नहीं. तो आज आपके साथ हमने ये बातचीत की है कि इंट्रोस्पेक्शन, अपने अंदर झांक के देखना, पीपिंग इनसाइड oneself, which is I can describe it as introspection in the best possible manner. अगर हम ये करते हैं तो it will always be a unique way of living a successful, satisfactory, comfortable, confident life. ज़िंदगी में एक चीज़ होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, and that is confidence. कॉन्फिडेंस का मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि बढ़तपन. कॉन्फिडेंस का मतलब ये होता है कि हम ये जानते हैं कि हम जो कर रहे हैं वो सही है और वो किसी तरह से किसी को भी नुकसान नहीं पहुंचा रहा है. और ज़िंदगी को अगर हम इस तरीके से जिएं तो ज़िंदगी की एवोल्यूशन तो होने ही वाला है. अब मैंने ये टॉपिक का नाम इंट्रोस्पेक्शन, अ वेपन फॉर सेल्फ एवोल्यूशन दिया है. एक्चुअली ये ट्रिक मेरे को किया था अ वेपन फॉर मैस डिस्ट्रक्शन से, बिकॉज अगर इंट्रोस्पेक्शन नहीं करेंगे शायद ये एक वेपन फॉर हमारा कंडक्ट एक वेपन फॉर मैस डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ रिलेशनशिप्स हो सकता है. मैं आशा करती हूँ आप लोगों को आज का टॉक मेरा पसंद आया हो और आप आपके कमेंट्स द्वारा मुझे ज़रूर बताइए आपको ये कैसा लगा. और मैं फिर नेक्स्ट सैटरडे आऊँगी, पर बाय दैट टाइम आई वुड वांट यू ऑल to let me know how you all are finding the talks what I am conducting. This is a dream which I am actually trying to realize, which is a long time dream of mine to interact with the masses. And probably इसीलिए टेक्नोलॉजी ये डेवलप हुआ होगा. एक बहुत मज़ेदार बात आपसे शेयर करती हूँ. कलकत्ता से नागपुर आई हुई थी. साइकिल चलाना नहीं आता था. बड़ी मुश्किल से मेरी फ्रेंड, दो फ्रेंड्स हैं रिंकू और शोम, उन्होंने मुझे साइकिल चलाना सिखाया. गिराया भी, सिखाया भी. और उसके बाद फिर धीरे धीरे मैंने गाड़ी सीखी, मीन्स टू व्हीलर सीखी. और ये सब करते करते अपना कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ाई. और आज मैं यहाँ तक पहुँच गई. तो ये पूरे जो चीज़ें मैंने कर पाई, ये सब कुछ आप सबके कोऑपरेशन, आप सबके लगाव, प्यार, सब कुछ के लिए ही कर पाई हूँ. आप जितने लोग मुझे देख रहे हैं, आज सबके मेरे ज़िंदगी में एक बहुत बड़ा वर्षों से इन्फ्लुएंस है. और आप लोग मेरा साथ दे रहे हो, ये एक बहुत बड़ा मेरे लिए सौभाग्य है. आई वुड वॉन्ट यू ऑल टू कंटिन्यू your cooperation by supporting me, watching me live, and just help me in spreading the words of life skills in this world. And probably that will be my last contribution which I can make for, because I have taken a lot from the society. I am so enriched by the society, and now it's time for me to give back. Thank you for being with me, joining me live. बाकी लोग, जिन लोग नहीं देखे होंगे, अगर आप लोगों की इच्छा होगा तो आप बाहर बाद में भी देख सकेंगे. रिकॉर्डिंग कंटिन्यूड रहता है और वॉच पार्टीज़ भी करते हैं. आजकल तो बहुत सारी टेक्नोलॉजी आ गया है. हाँ, तो मैं बोल रही थी, एक छोटी सी बात मैं भूल गई. टेक्नोलॉजी कैसे कैसे आ जाता है, आप देखिए. तो उस टाइम पे मैंने गाड़ी सीखी थी, याद है, मैं बता रही थी. तो मुझे, आई वॉज डेटिंग माई हस्बैंड एट दैट टाइम. तो उन्होंने मुझे स्कूटर चलाने सिखाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, और मुझसे स्कूटर ना सीखा जाए. मैं स्कूटर नहीं सीख सकती. फिर हमारी शादी हो गई, हम TVS 50 चलाते थे. और फिर मैं हरदम सोचती, स्कूटर हो जाते हो, जो भी है आपकी, जो भी चाह, शिद्दत से जो भी चीज़ चाहोगे वो चीज़ होगा. और इंट्रोस्पेक्शन भी एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण चीज़ है जो आप, यू शुड बी डूइंग इट रेगुलरली, एंड विच विल हेल्प यू in evolving your life. You make you live a quality life which will not bring in a lot of depression or negativity or any sort of things which will pull you down. You will be a light feather like thing, even with maybe 200 kgs weight. You will just fly, soar higher and higher. Let's have a beautiful life. Wishing you a great life ahead, and I'll be seeing you next week Saturday again, God willing, if things all remain